Hello and welcome to the first of the Prezis for your COMM 1019 course that I'm going to be talking through. In this Prezi, I will be going over expectations for students for this COMM 1019 course. So in it, you're going to get all the information that you need in order to be able to navigate Blackboard and understand the schedule and get yourself started for this class. So the first slide that we're going to move to, as you can see, this Prezi is titled COMM 1019 Expectations of Students. Slide number 1 that we're going to move to is the first expectation. Review content as early as possible. Weekly content releases every Sunday. So Sunday morning you can wake up and find weekly content for the week posted. The weeks for my class run from Sunday morning as early as you can get up till Saturday, the following Saturday at midnight. That's when everything is due, and that's when I will be expecting your assignment. So review your content as early as possible. The next requirement that we're going to go to, number 2, is consider the assignment. What I mean by that is each week you will have to submit work. So first things first, you should know what work is coming up for you for that week. Do this by looking at the schedule that I've posted, both on the syllabus as well as posted independently in the About Course section. Then the last thing on the page is familiarize yourself with Georgian's academic integrity policy. I do take the academic integrity of your assignments very seriously. There's the long form understanding of the academic integrity policy in the student handbook. You can also refer to the shorter form that I've posted in your syllabus so that you can understand exactly what I mean by academic integrity. Moving on to student requirement number 3, contacting me. As this is an online course, the best way to get in touch with me is through my Georgian College faculty email. As you can see it written there, is jordan_YOUD@georgiancollege.ca. Same as all your professors except with my name at the beginning. I do have hours that I answer emails, so from Monday morning, say around 9 o'clock is the earliest, till Friday night at about 4 p.m. I like to keep my weekend sacred for me and my family, so I stick to the Monday to Friday email hour. This means that if you need to get in touch with me, especially about an assignment coming up, you have to do it before Friday afternoon. Otherwise, I keep those weekends for myself and for my family. So again, best way to get in touch with me is through email. I check my email easily once or twice a day. So contact me through email and I'll do everything that I can to get back to you. Student requirement number 4 is pretty simple. What you can expect of me. Like I said, weekly content will roll out every Sunday morning as early as I can. I promise to try and give you a timely response to all your emails, like I said, between Mondays and Fridays, but I usually check every day, so I try and get back to you within about a 24, 48-hour period of you having written to me. And then I'll have your assignments that you're submitting to Blackboard marked and the marks posted to Blackboard within a week of the due date. So if something's due Saturday, by next Saturday at the very latest, I'll have those marks posted. This means that if you're really curious what mark you got and it's within a week of the due date, give it a couple of days and the mark will show up on Blackboard by the following Saturday. Finally, last student expectation that I have for you is really nothing that special, but student success. Now you know how to succeed in COMM 1019, so the next step that I would suggest is that you begin going very closely and carefully through the content that I've posted in the weekly learning folders for week 1. In week 1, you'll find everything you need to know to get started and therefore succeed in my COMM 1019 class. Good luck. I'm looking forward to it. Talk to you soon.